times y squared minus 3y over y squared minus 49. So we're asked to find the product. So what we notice, we can write this as y minus 7 over this difference of 2 squared. And again, we'll factor, nothing has spoiled, I factored y, and here is also difference of 2 squared. So we can go further as y minus 3, difference of 2 squared, y plus 3 times y minus 3 over y times, that's difference of 2 squared. So what is here? Y minus 7 gone, this is gone. This is gone, so we have y over. So y over y plus 3 times y plus 7. So that's the answer. That's our answer. So the answer is B. B is the answer. To solve this, you need to be careful. Don't need of wasting time. Notice that I'm having the same thing here as here. So I can write this as y squared minus 1 raised to power minus half. Why this? From indices. Once you reciprocate, the sign of the power changes. So we are on the same. So, and if you notice, what is common here is here. So we'll factor y squared minus 1 raised to power minus half. So we are left with y squared here, and we are left with minus 1 here. Yes. So looking at the option, none is there. So again, we can still go further. Y squared minus 1. So laws of indices. The product is now the addition of the power. So we have y squared minus 1 raised to power minus half plus 1 is half. So our answer is C. Our answer is C. So it's very simple to solve. To find the product of this, 1 plus x squared plus x and this, the product, find the product of that. So we ask 1 plus x squared plus x times x squared minus x plus 1. So that's the product. We can write this as I'm saying, I can write this as this 1 plus x squared plus x. This could be 1 plus x squared minus x. Yes, we just wrote this we wrote minus s as the last. So nothing has spoiled. I'm trying to compare the two so that the solution will be easy for us. So they are the same. And looking at this, we can write this as 1 plus x plus x. And this is 1 plus x squared minus x. A plus b times a minus b. So this should be, this should be 1 plus x squared all squared minus x squared. Do you get what difference of 2 squared? A plus b, a minus b. So this is now a squared minus b squared. Okay, and we can now expand the bracket. Also, if you have a squared, if you have anything of this form, you can expand it for a squared, that's this squared, as far as plus or minus anyone. The product of 2a and b, so 2a and b, and finally b squared. So I'll use it here. This is 1 squared, which is 1, plus 2 times that's 2x times 1, 2x. plus x squared raised to power 2 is x raised to power 4. As x squared all squared is that, so minus x squared. This for this for this. Why this is the expansion of this 1 squared 2 times, okay, this should be 2x squared, sorry. 2 times 1 times x squared is 2x squared. So we now have x raised to power 4. 2x squared minus x squared is plus x squared plus 1. So that's the answer. Our answer is x raised to power 4 plus x squared plus 1. So the answer is C. So no need of trying to expand this directly to take our time. Just compare the brackets, making it to relate so that it will be faster. So we're asked to, if x minus 3 raised to power minus 1 is one of the factors of that, then the other factor is that. So we'll write this as 3 raised to power 3, which is correct. Now since I have a cube here, so we can write it, we bring in from laws of indices, you know, we can interchange. So I can write it as 3 minus 1 raised to power 3, because they will have the same product. Minus 1 times 3 is minus 3. The same thing, 3 times minus 1. So I wrote it this way so that we'll get difference of 2 cubes here. Okay, before I continue with this, let me teach you some. That's another elementary identity that states that a raised to power n minus b raised to power n is a plus b. Okay, let's use plus first. So the first factor is a plus b. Why the next factor will go, remember 1 is out, so this will go down by 1. B 0. So since it's plus, it will alternate in sign. A n minus 2, b 1. So what do you notice? A will decrease, will be decreasing, while b will be increasing from 0. So plus a n minus 3b squared. Do you get? So minus, so that's how it will decrease to a to 0, b will increase to n minus 1. So that is a very important formula. So remember, if it's plus, the first factor is plus. This will alternate. The other second bracket will be plus minus plus. But if it's negative, the first thing is a minus b. Why the sign in the other bracket will be constant. Plus, that is a n minus 1 b0 plus a n minus 2 b1 plus, that's how it will decrease. A will decrease to 0, while b will decrease, we increase to n minus 1. So that's it. So that's what I will use here. So this is x cube minus, okay, let's factor that. Let's just go, so this, the first factor is now x minus 3 minus 1. As my a is x, my b is 3 raised to power minus 1. So remember, it's plus, it's minus, so plus all through. So we have x, 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 raised to power minus 1 raised to power. So no need of writing the 0. Plus x, y 3x raised to power 1. That's 3 minus 2. Y, this is 3 minus 1 raised to power 1. So no need of writing raised to power 1. Plus s will decrease to 0. Or maybe no need of writing 0. No need of writing 0. Why this will increase to 2. So that's the this is now equal to using what I've just done here. again, we'll still notice that we can, because the options look somehow, we can still notice that from, if you could remember, addition of 2 square, which is almost the same, this is the same thing here. We can write this, we can focus on x squared plus 3 minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 3, that's x, that's right, x 3 raised to the power minus 1. Let's focus on x squared plus 3 raised to the power minus 1 raised to the power 2. So we can still apply what we've done here with this. Yes, so this could be the first factor is x plus 3 raised to the power minus 1. Why the second factor? Or maybe you remember addition of 2 square, no need of wasting time. We have a formula for addition of 2 square. Instead of wasting time to make it this way, we could remember this is a plus b squared minus 2ab. Or it could be a minus b squared plus 2ab. So anyone is correct. So we need to, the best thing we do, we use our option. Let's use option to know which else. I'm seeing plus here, plus, 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 minus, 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 plus. Okay. I do need to know which one to use. So this minus. Okay, since this is plus, I will use, let me use the second one. So this should be so let's use this. So using the second equation, this one, we have x minus 3 raised to the power minus 1 all squared plus 2 x 3 raised to the power minus 1 plus x 3 raised to the power minus. So repeat this. We repeat this. We have s minus 3, that's this. 2 plus 1, because we add the coefficient, these are the same. So we have 3x 3 raised to the power minus 1. So finally we have s minus 3 raised to the power minus 1 squared plus, no, 3 times 1 over 3, because this is 1 over 3 is 1. So 1 times x is x. So y is s3 raised to the power minus 1. So remember, we are giving one of the factor to be this. So the remaining bracket, which is this, is the other factor. So the answer is C. We're asked to simplify this. So the first thing we'll do, let's bring the two, the same, that's define the LCM denominator. So we have x plus y times x minus y. So we have x minus y times xy plus y squared plus x squared plus s plus y times sy minus y squared minus x squared. So that's the first thing we'll do. Okay, if you could remember, there is square here, square, and we have minus here. So you see that this is difference of 2 cube. Check it. It's different using our formula we just solved. So this is difference of 2 squared, of 2 cube. So this results to that. Why this is, we now use this, so the only way here, I can write this as minus, because this is negative. So we can bring the negative out. So this will be x plus y. And I'll have x squared plus y squared minus xy. Do you get what I just, because I want to, we can, this xy minus, but I need to make this positive. So we'll bring out the negative sign out. See it? The negative sign, because if you open minus times this is minus x squared, minus times this is plus, so we are correct. So, and you know the minus sign is now affecting everything, so minus times plus, so okay, right, let's write this as s plus y, s minus y. So we can write everything now as x cubed minus y cubed minus s plus y so that's it. So what we have to do is to, so this, from this again, this I'm seeing plus here, so this is addition of 2 cube. Remember, plus minus plus, alternation in sign, plus minus plus, so that's it. X plus y, x minus y. So this s cubed minus s cubed is gone. Minus y cubed is minus 2y cubed over x plus y, x minus y. So let's check the option. Okay, let's do one more thing to make it right. So you know, the denominator is difference of 2 squares, so we'll write it as minus 2y cubed. This is x squared minus y squared. We know we can bring out the minus sign out. That's bringing out minus. It's now minus brackets y squared minus s squared. The minus divides the minus down to be positive. I'm saying if this is negative, this is negative. So if you divide, negative divided by negative is now positive. So this is 2y cubed, y squared minus x squared. So the answer is 2y cubed over. So the answer is B.